Today we will discuss the benefits of using hyaluronic acid serum. Welcome to my channel Tips to Follow. Hyaluronic acid serum offers several skin benefits due to its powerful hydrating and moisture retention properties. Key benefits include deep hydration, attracts and retains moisture, keeping the skin plump and hydrated. Reduces fine lines and wrinkles, helps smooth the skin and reduce the appearance of fine lines by improving moisture levels. Improves skin elasticity, enhances skin firmness and elasticity, promoting a youthful appearance. Soothes and calms skin, reduces redness and irritation, making it suitable for sensitive skin. Enhances skin barrier, strengthens the skin's natural barrier, protecting it from environmental stressors.